Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to convert capital letters to small letters in Word document. Friends, due to some reason, if you want to convert text from small letters to capital letters, then you simply need to select the text in your Word document. After selecting the text, you need to press Ctrl Shift and A on your keyboard. It will simply make your all the selected text capital. There are other ways also to do the same thing. You can click on the home tab. Here you find option to change case. So click on the small arrow and you will find the list of all the options. From here you can make all the selected text to lowercase. Like you can see, now all the text is changed to lowercase. From here you can also change the text to capital each word. First letter of each word will be capital. So like this you can play around with the text as per your requirement. Now I will change the text to capital. So friends, like this you can very easily convert capital letters to small letters in Word document. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.